Good morning, everyone. It's 8:15 in the morning. I just now ago while ago woke up. I'm feeling quite awesome, refreshed. Yesterday at night I was finding very hard to sleep, but yeah, somehow I while listening to songs I got sleep. Sometimes I feel I do have mild panic attacks. I don't know if it's right what to call, but yeah, what else should I call it about? Restlessness? Yeah, maybe that's that. But yeah, sometimes you might have feel, you get so heartbeats become so slow and you don't know what exactly you're sad about. But yeah, for no reason, no apparent reason, you're just sad. You didn't figure out why you feel like that. But yeah, there comes no reason in your mind. But yeah, that's that. Fuck that shit. It's a new day, new opportunity. We are going to Goa in the afternoon, maybe by train mostly. I'll get some bucks from my parents or my brother. Yeah, let me enjoy my smoke. I made a ginger tea for myself. Yeah, nice. We won't go for a walk. Rather than I need to go to government hospital for medical fitness certificate, which I will go by there by 9 to 10. And yeah, that's it. Let me enjoy my coffee and have my smoke, and I will see you guys with the day. Yeah, peace fucking out. And one more thing I wanted to share just now, we are smoking only 3 to 4 cigarettes today. No matter fucking what, we will delay the craving as much as I can. So that's I wanted to share. If I feel like craving, I might do anything in the world but not to smoke, unless and until it's absolutely necessary. Yeah, that's I wanted to tell you. Because yeah, let's do some changes, because yeah, cigarette ain't gonna last forever. Maybe not. Either this gonna last, but not me. Because cigarette tobacco will be forever. It has been always with us on the earth, and so many people have been dead already by cancer. I don't know. We never know when it's our turn. Of course, life is too short for all this bullshit. So let's be more conscious about uh, our environment, our aura, our surroundings, nature itself, and our mind, our body, our existence. That covers all. So that's that. We'll do that. I'm pretty sure. I'm not pretty sure, but I'm confident. I'm willing. I'm willing to make this happen. And yeah, let's see. Let's fucking do this. Yeah. Peace out. I don't know. I'm feeling happy right now. That's why I'm smiling. I don't smile much, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Bear with me. Hello guys. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. I think it's 10th of the 5th. Yeah, it's 10th of the 5th. Yeah. So where I'm going right now is hospital PSC center for having a medical certificate that would say that I'm fit, so-called fit for working. So that's what we will go right now. It's not that long. Maybe I might need 5 to 10 more minutes to walk. Then I'll get that and head back home, and then I'll see you guys. Then in the afternoon at around 12 or 1 p.m. after having lunch at home, we will go to our destination, which is GOA. Yeah, peace out, boys, girls, ladies, gentlemen. Yeah. Hello guys, it's 8:30 in the morning. I just came back from that PHC center. So I got that medical certificate. What it states, normally it's just a certificate, it's just a paper. Listen to the point. It's just a paper, and on which it's written that this particular guy is mentally, physically, it's okay for him to work now. So just for that paper, just for the person who's having the authority, so-called authority, has the right to charge that paper with another paper printed on MK, Mahatma Gandhi. MK. Why do I call it MK? It's MG. Yeah. So everything in life is paper. We just gotta have some papers, and chase paper, because that's what is worth chasing right now. Because without that paper, life is miserable. So chase paper, because money is the ultimate truth now these days. Doesn't matter what good person you are at heart. Doesn't work like that anymore. It used to work like that, but not anymore. So get fucking rich and live your life the way you always wanted. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you in a while. Hello guys, it's 8:30 in the morning. I just now got that medical certificate, so-called medical certificate. It's just a paper wherein it's written that this guy is it's okay for him to work now. Yeah, he's fit now. So that's it. So they charged me 100 rupees. So what I felt was everything in life it's all paper. To say that's money. Bottom line, after all, of course it has a word. It's a value given by the government and our government. But yeah, it is a paper. You can't deny the truth that it's just a paper. Yeah. So if you think of it this way, that it's just a paper. We just gotta collect some paper and that's it. Just like the way we read daily a newspaper. It's not now, but yeah, earlier we used to sell the old newspapers with some exchange rate that they have at that particular time. Means like a kg was used to sell at around 5 to 10 rupees. I don't know what it is now, but yeah, that's that. So I have paper, guys. Collect paper, every country's paper, and flex life, enjoy life. There's more to life than just eating, fucking, making childrens, marrying, working out. So there's more to life. Enjoy every moment. Gather paper, not gather, collect paper. There's more to life than you could not even imagine what money can bring into your life. If you want to be sad and miserable, why not be sad in your own mansion? Why not cry in your Lamborghini? Of course you can imagine if you're crying in a local bus. Stupid as well. So even though I know I'm walking on this road right now, but yeah, with my mindset, I'm not walking. I'm driving a supercar. Yeah, you gotta get rich first in your mind. Then you have to have enough courage to make it possible and work hard enough for it. So chase paper. Yeah, peace fucking out, boys. Hello guys, good morning. It's 11 a.m. in the morning. This would be our last morning. Not so last. I'm not dying till whatever I want to achieve yet. But yeah, we'll go for you won't see me here on this fucking terrace, which I love the most, for a couple of months. Let's see. I won't be staying for at least a month. I'll be here once in a while. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, I'm feeling energized. I'm feeling confident. Let's see what's gonna happen. Because even if I stay here, it's a high chance that I'm getting comfortable here. So it's not the time right now to get comfortable with the shit that you're doing. So it's get away. So go out, have some experience, and yeah, let's come back stronger, not stronger, and financially stronger. Let's do this. I'm excited. Yeah, bear with me. Yeah, I'll show you what's it's gonna be like. Yeah, peace fucking out. Yeah, peace out and keep chilling. Yeah. Oh, hello guys, just now I catch the train. This, I was at Vaibhavadi station, but yeah, now I'm going to Thivim station. Let's see, get the journey. That's what already in the train. I would like to see the seats. It's nice to see the let's see how the journey goes, and I'll see you bye. And always oh my god, people are moving and it's not as shitty as well. Guys, this is our vehicle, this is our toy, this is our train, this is our everything for today's journey. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll be reaching to Goa maybe by at 7 p.m. Let's see at what time we reach. But yeah, meanwhile we'll try to chill a bit. Let's see how it goes. See my stupid ass look. I don't know why my skin today is getting so dried up, and I don't know what's happening to it. Guys, now we are at Sindhurga railway station, and I'll show you where we are. This is our train. This is Manvi fucking Express. You can see this is the district where I'm from, and yeah, you can see the signboard of the fucking awesome. So that's that. Let's go to the train. Let's wait. Let's buy something. Let's have something to eat, and then I'll see you guys on our journey. Guys, now we are at Saundwadi railway station. We have just one more station left. Then we will reach our destination, which is Tubing. So yeah, let's wait for one more station and then we will go. See, people are going, going home. This is the bridge. This is the train. Yeah, that's it. Right now, I just explained one thing that these days I was camping at my village. Even people, what I experience is with unknown people, I be so confident. I don't really care about the people around me. When I'm with the people that know me, is be it in my village or be it anywhere, the people surrounding me knows me, then I become so conscious about my environment and surrounding. Environment and surrounding. But now as these people don't know me, I don't know them. So yeah, it's easy to not give up. Yeah. Now the train has started and yeah, let's go. Peace out guys. नहीं ऐसे निकाल रहा हूँ. अरे नहीं भाई, इसमें आता है. As this is Pedne railway station, Perne, whatever you would like to call it. Yeah, you can see the beautiful sun. You can see the beautiful sunset and the scenery here. Goa, I was already started, I guess. So yeah, that's that. The next station is Tubing, and that's our destination station. And we will see you guys there. I might need to go travel 70 kilometers to another station, Vagata, which I will. I am going to stay at my friends for now, but yeah, the destination, the hotel, the place that I need to go and stay and work at is not that long, not that distance from that place. It's quite distance, maybe not even less than 500 meters away, almost 250, 260, 300 meters away. But yeah, let's go there, let's meet him. And now on, at least for a couple of weeks, we will see, Goa life. Let's start. Let's leave. We are officially in another state, the brother state, corresponding state of Maharashtra, which is Goa, and it's one of the best place. You better know Goa already. Yeah, Goa is real shit. Now let's see. I've been there once or twice, but yeah, I never stayed there for so long. But yeah, now we had a chance to stay, explore, work, earn, see the world. So yeah, let's grab this opportunity and make the most out of it and see. Let's see how it goes. Let's see what we do. I'm excited, obviously, but yeah. And even if I feel like going home, my home is not that away. It's 100 and 150 kilometers away. A train, a travel of 3 to 4 hours is just enough for me to go from home to work. And yeah, let's see. Let's stay here for at least a week. Then we'll go for home and come back again. Yeah, now I'll stay back. Stay tuned. I'll stay back. What I'm saying. But yeah, I need to be more louder with my voice. Yeah, I look like shit. One more thing, I met a friend. He's at the same village, the village I currently live in, the village I'm born in. Yeah, I used to know him. We met at a talk. Yeah, he also works in railway itself. So he's from Saundwadi, but yeah, he does up and down. Goes for work and come back home afterwards daily. Yeah, it's nice. Traveling, it's also a part of work. So yeah, even if you are not on the ship, you're still working. That's that. Yeah, let me chill for a while and then I'll see you guys. Peace out. Yeah, we're waiting for this train. Yeah, let's see. Guys, we have literally arrived at our destination, I guess. The train has also become slow, so we have arrived in time. It's almost 6. It's after 6 Yeah, it's 6:15 in the evening. Yeah, we are on time. Yeah, let's see. Let me get off the train and then I'll see. Guys, this is the station, Thivim fucking station. Goa, guys. I think it's not as glamorous as it sounds, but it's just a town. It's just like any other town in the city of the district. But yeah, it's because tourists come here, and that's why it's becoming so commercialized. Yeah, we can't do shit about it, but make the most out of it. Enjoy. I'll try to enjoy and listen until I'm here. Yeah, meanwhile, that's why I'll do some work and get some money corrected. Because I need to the most important thing is I need to collect money enough so that I can start my business on my own as soon as possible. That's why I'm here. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is the station, and yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys. I'm just following the road. I don't even know where I am going. Yeah, let's see. We need to go Agata. I hope this is the right road. But yeah, let's see what's gonna happen if I don't get lost. We all are lost in our own worlds. Anyhow, so it doesn't matter really if we get lost or what, because if we give anything a purpose, then we give purpose, we give meaning to things. Otherwise, no thing, nothing in this world has a true meaning itself. So we give meaning to things, and that's that. Let me walk on the road, and let's see where how we find a bus or something like that. I'll see you. Peace out. Guys, currently I'm at Mapsa bus station, bus stand, any we can call it whatever you want because it's so crowded in here and so many buses around here. Yeah, I need to go to Agra. I need to find a bus which will go there. Let me find that. Let me find the bus. Guys, I'll find a bus and then I'll see once I'll be there at the destination, which is Nevada. Yeah, thankfully the friend's hotel is quite nearer to my office location. Not so called office, but yeah, same property. Yeah, let's go there. I'll see you. Hello guys, it's 8 in the late evening, and yeah, I have reached my destination. I would say, not exactly, but yeah. I'm 1 kilometer away from my friend's hotel. Yeah, he's coming from his bike. Yeah, meanwhile, I will walk because doesn't matter we are in Goa or home. We gotta complete our daily steps counts. So that's from that. Yeah, let's walk now. And yeah, I can see the vibe. So I don't see much of a difference in Goa. It's quite commercialized. Otherwise, I feel everything is the same, just like any other village. Instead of my village only, it's just commercialized and all the tourists, and because of everything, yeah, it's a real shit now. So let me walk now. Let's smoke one, and I'll see you guys. I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. Yeah, till then. What I feel, guys, is sometimes we so egoistic and we feel like we are God ourselves, but yeah. We can never be God. We can only say we can be God. We are God. To fake our ego, to fake our surrounding, to fake our aura. Guys, this is Ghost Stops, wherein my the friend is manager at whose hotel, the Ghost Stops I am staying for tonight, and tomorrow I will go that at hostelers, hostel property. We had gone for the dinner and I had a beer, I would say. So yeah, so yeah, it was pretty nice day. I have having quite a headache right now. I'll go home. I not home. I'll go and have a sleep right now because yeah, it's it's quite late. It's 11:45 in the night. I better go and have a sleep now because tomorrow I need to go to visit to that property, which I will in the morning itself. Let's see what time I wake up. Let me enjoy my smoke and see you tomorrow. And yeah, peace out.